You threw away the toilet paper in the wrong way all your life and you didn't know it. Almost all of us have a paper toilet in our bathrooms, which we use to throw away all the toilet paper we use. This time I will show you what is the best way to do it, and at the end of this video, you will never throw it in the toilet again. Surely you have heard many times that you should not throw toilet paper in the toilet because this can cover it. To know if this is true or not, we will do a definitive experiment that will help you clear your doubts once and for all. To perform this test, we will take at least 3 pieces of toilet paper and we will add it in a glass. Then we add enough water to cover the paper. Let's let it rest for a few minutes so you can see what happens. In the meantime, I will tell you some disadvantages of throwing toilet paper in the toilet and no one tells you. It is very unpleasant, that bad smell that abounds in the bathrooms because of the used toilet paper that is thrown into the toilet. For this reason, many people use scented air conditioners to counteract that fecund smell. There are even people who believe that the bathroom is dirty, when in reality it is only a matter of removing the toilet paper. 2 minutes have passed since we started the test, and as you can see, the paper has been degrading little by little. All this is because the manufacturers make them with a biodegradable material, which helps to avoid contamination and that they do not affect the environment. It is normal to think that the pipes of the toilet can be covered. However, if the pipe of your toilet works normally, this will not happen. And now let's see how the paper has been after approximately an hour. As we can see, the paper has completely disintegrated, which gives us a good sign to know that from today, we can throw the toilet paper into the toilet when we use it. Now, I will give you some recommendations of things that you should never throw in your toilet. Although it seems strange to you, some people tend to throw sanitary towels into the bowl. Never do this because this is a product that can clog the pipe of your toilet. I also do not recommend that you throw wet towels since, unlike toilet paper, these do not degrade. Do not throw toilet paper either, since it is very difficult to degrade. If you got this far, leave me below if you have ever thrown toilet paper in the toilet.